Are you ready to reach your financial goals faster? Let's go ahead and walk through how to set up and use Chime's Savings Goals feature. Firstly, open the Chime app and go to the Move Money tab. Then, simply tap on Save When I Get Paid or Save with Roundups. And under your savings account, select Savings Goals. Here, you will then be able to create a new goal by tapping Add a Goal. Then, go ahead and name your goal, set the target amount and choose a deadline. Chime will then calculate how much you need to save each payday to reach your goal on time. And to make saving easier, you can also automate it. Chime also lets you automatically transfer money towards your goals whenever you get paid. Just turn on the automatic transfers option. Then finally, go ahead and review your settings and tap Create Goal. And that's it, you've successfully set up your savings goal. So you can then track your progress anytime in the savings goals section. And if you'd like, you can also adjust your target, change the deadline, or add funds manually if needed. And if you have some extra cash, you can also boost your savings by adding it to your goal with just a tap. With Chime Savings Goals feature, you're in control and you can start saving today and make those goals a reality. So that's it for this video. If you found this insightful, go ahead and leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.